Hi guys. So it is a podcast. What is a podcast? A one-on-one conversation with the camera. It's a solo podcast. And I'm recording this podcast for the first ever time in my life. I've never recorded a podcast before. I always wanted to do it. So I'm just trying it. Now, I always, whenever I review books, I record the video, and I put it on Sunday. And then again the week comes, the video touches 100 views, 200 views. I do not care about views, but still, I'm just telling you how the process goes. Then again the next week comes, I record a video, I make notes, I record a video. Then Sunday comes, I upload it, and then it finishes. But this cycle is actually making me, it actually makes me something. It just gives a sense of achievement for some reason. Even I'm getting 100 views, I'm happy in it. And I do not want to reach a wider audience right now. What my aim is to just reach you people and tell you something. And that is what I'm going to do. It's a story. Take this video as a story. I will speak in Hindi, I'll speak in English, I'll speak in both the languages. Probably. So, starting with it. If I see myself 2 years back, class 10th, it was a boring class. Why it was boring? Because I shouldn't reveal it, but because it was a tough period. It was class 10th, and I was in section B, and it was a dumb section. I shouldn't say that, but still, it was a boring section. That would be a better word. It was a boring section. But then class 11th came, and this virus came with class 11th, and I never went to school in class 11th. But after a point of this lockdown, I realized that I am bored. I am seriously bored. I do not have anything to do. What should I do now? I was very busy in watching series. Netflix series, different Netflix series. I started with Brooklyn, there was something, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, something, I forgot the name as well. Brooklyn Nine-Nine, I guess. Yes, that was the series name. Then there was Friends, I watched Big Bang Theory. I watched a lot of Netflix series. But after a point I got bored. There was nothing. Then one day I got this certain urge from inside. Why not, Aditya? I was telling myself, why not, Aditya? Let's read a book. Let's try reading a book. I remember my earliest memory of getting a fiction book was, I think, when I was 5 years old. I got The India I Love by Ruskin Bond. That was the first ever book I remember reading. I read that book in 2010. I did not even understand what the book was telling me. But I was not able to understand the book. But I was reading it. I was just reading it. And then I think after a point, after I read 20-25 pages in 2010, I got bored out and I left it. And then I did not touch any book. I did not touch a single storybook. Last year, what happened in August? In July, I guess. I picked up a book. And I wanted to pick up a book whose film has been made. So I picked up this Hindi film, Two States. A great romantic film written by Chetan Bhagat. Oh, Chetan Bhagat? You heard the right name. Yeah, Chetan Bhagat. Yeah, that guy. Yeah. So I know many of the people who are watching this video would be like, oh no, you started from Chetan Bhagat. Are you sure? I don't like him. Listen. He is an IIM graduate. Don't underestimate his power of writing. So it was. I mean, everyone has his or her own opinions, but I think Chetan Bhagat actually got me into reading. I know Half Girlfriend was a drastic, a very damaging book, and what all comments and what all lines are written in that book is somewhat controversial. but except Half Girlfriend, all his books have, got me into reading. I started from 2 states. I read 70 pages in a day. Yeah, 70 pages in a day because it was simple to read and I was enjoying it. I think after 2 states, I said that I want to read another book by Chetan Bhagat. And I started reading and it went on and went on. And right now, it's not even 1 year of the time I started reading. And I have close to finished 66 books till now. So that's what reading is for me. I became addicted to reading. Addictions can be of two kinds. You can have positive addictions, you can have negative addictions. Negative addictions, alcohol, drugs, so many things. Positive addiction, studying, singing, dancing, so many positive addictions. So I got into reading, and what reading did to me, it expanded my mind, it widened my brain and my thinking capacity. I got ideas, and one idea led to another idea, and I kept on adding ideas, and I became creative. I'll say that, I'm saying myself, I became creative from reading. So reading gave me a lot of knowledge, reading gave me a lot of ideas, it increased my cognitive skills, it did a lot of things. So reading had a lot of positives, and it's not that I only read Chetan Bhagat. I chose from a variety of authors after reading 2 or 3 books of Chetan Bhagat. Then I went on to Khaled Hosseini, and I think his reading reading that book actually touched my heart. His writing has something special. So if you haven't read Khaled Hosseini's book, do go for the first one. Go for Kite Runner or something. Okay, I just want you to tell you people that reading is something which will make you a great person. It can make you a great human being. And it taught me a lot of things. I want to, put everything in this video, but I won't do that because then this video will be half hour long and no one will watch it. So probably this video will be 8 or 9 minutes long or 10 minutes long maximum. And I would love to know your response on these kinds of videos. And also, I would like you to read one book. Pick it today, whatever you like. Go on Amazon and, if you like romantic films, go for a romantic book. Or if you like thriller movies, try a thriller book. Try something. I'm not recommending you anything today. Just go on Amazon and check for best thriller books, best thriller novels, best romantic novels. Go and whatever comes first, read it out. And then tell me, how was your experience reading that one particular book? It doesn't matter that if you finish that one book in a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 1 month. Some people take 2 months as well. So it's up to you. You do not have to finish it in a day. You do not have to finish a book in a day. Just take your own time and read. Just add it into your daily routine. Read for 15 minutes daily. Who is saying to read for? So find out your interest and read one book, at least one book. Okay, and I'll feel great if you pick up a book and read it and finish it in a month or so, and go at your pace, go at your speed and finish a book. And then tell me your experience. Then come back to this video, go down in the comment section and tell me which book you read, which book, how did you like it? Did you like it? You give your own review and So that is it from the first podcast. I hope you liked it, and we will meet next Sunday with a Sunday episode on a book which I'll review, and then we will meet, I don't know when. I'll let you know soon. So till then, bye bye.